guys? It's me, Young Son, here, the 2003 or 2013 player right here. So old days become new days. Some days were different, and new updates come. Some bad updates come, but it's just imagination. Roblox had more old players, so we won't be taking a look back the first old players and the old. Actually, we're going to take a look back to the first 2003. The first Roblox players. The most Roblox players visits. The next one will be the first 2003 players who joined. And that's going in. Roblox is old days one, but sometimes new days come.